Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW X3, X4, that generation that you see right here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the fuses for the door module are located, we're talking about front left, front right door. If you need to find where the door module fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. And why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So the door module fuses and relays, where we can expect to find them guys, we will demonstrate on this generation BMW X4. As you know, X3, X4, they're built on the same platform. What do we guys need to do now? We need to open the passenger door, and once we guys open the passenger door, you need to open your glove box. Empty the content, and on the very back on the right side we have a cover. Go ahead, remove it by pressing that notch down, pull that cover out. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So for the door module guys, multiple fuses will need to be checked, because those things, okay, could be for power windows, mirrors, central locking, door modules, multiple things we'll recommend to check. So let's zoom in a little bit and position it right here, and we're going to start guys, okay, with checking fuse number 2. So if you come right here, that's that 5 amp fuse. We need to be checked. We'll talk about the relays in a little bit. Then we need to check fuse number 5. So 3, 4, 5, you may or may not have this one depending on which model and package you have. Then fuse number 7 guys, okay, number 7 will be the one right here. Check that one. After that you will need to check fuse number 9. This is that 30 amp fuse right here, very important fuse. Next you will need to check fuse number 8, excuse me, 8 as well. So these 3 fuses will need to be checked. After that we need to find fuse number 14, which is that 15 amp fuse right here. After that, we need to check fuse number 15. So if we zoom in here, that's 14, that's 15. Check both of those. And we need to check fuse number 17 and 18. So if you come to the top, we're talking about that's fuse 17, fuse 18. Very important fuses. Next, you will need to find fuse number 32, which, if you come, guys, towards the bottom, and that's fuse number 35, 34, 33, 32, that's 7.5 fuse. And then we need to check fuse number 38, which will be, that is 36, 7, 8, that fuse right here. Now, you do not have, guys, many relays in that X3, X4, mostly they're controlled by the body control module. So you won't have relay, those fuses are known as relay fuses. So if you have problems with those modules, always check these fuses first. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.